Ever sent money and regretted the hidden fees? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, sending money these days can be a jungle. Between bank transfers, money orders, and a million different apps, it's hard to know where to turn. You find an app that seems convenient, but then bam! Fees sneak up on you like a rogue pop quiz in college. Today, we're diving deep into one of those popular options, Wave. Is it a fee-free paradise or another sneaky culprit? Let's crack open the app and see exactly how much Wave charges per transaction, because transparency is key when it comes to your hard-earned cash. Now, Wave itself promotes its service as a fast and convenient way to send and receive money. They even have a tagline, "Your money, moving freely." Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the thing, moving freely often comes with a price tag in the financial world. So, before you jump in and wave your cash goodbye, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. There are actually two main ways to use Wave, sending money to individuals and sending money to businesses. The fees for each can be different, so let's break them down one at a time. Sending money to friends and family. Alright, scenario, you need to send some cash to your roommate for their share of the rent. Maybe it's your mom's birthday and you want to send a quick gift. This is where Wave's person-to-person transfer feature comes in. And here's the good news, Wave claims that sending money between individual Wave users is completely free. That's right, no hidden charges as long as both you and the receiver are using Wave. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, hold on a sec, because there's always a but in finance. The not-so-free part. The free transfers only apply if you're using your available account balance to send money. Now, most of us don't just keep stacks of cash lying around in a digital wallet. So, what happens if you need to send money but your Wave balance is looking a little lonely? This is where Wave introduces funding methods. Here's the catch, adding money to your Wave account through certain funding methods involves fees. For example, if you want to top up your Wave account using your debit card, Wave charges a 1.5% fee on the transfer amount. So, if you're sending your roommate $100 for rent, but you need to add funds to your Wave account with your debit card first, you'll actually be paying $1.50 in fees. Not a huge deal for a small amount, but it can add up over time. Other funding methods, other fees. There are other ways to add money to Wave, and each comes with its own fee schedule. Bank transfers typically have a flat fee, while cash pickups at some partner locations might have a percentage-based fee. The key takeaway is to be aware of the fees associated with each funding method before you add money to your Wave account. Wave does a decent job of outlining these fees in their app, but it's always good practice to double-check before you hit that transfer button. Sending money to businesses. Alright, so what about if you need to pay a bill or buy something online? This is where sending money to businesses with Wave comes in. Unfortunately, Wave charges a flat fee of 2% for any transactions involving businesses. So, if you're paying your phone bill for $50, you'll be shelling out an extra $1 on top of that. Again, it might not seem like a lot, but those fees can add up if you're using Wave for a lot of your business transactions. The bottom line. So, to wrap it up, Wave can be a convenient way to send money to friends and family, especially if you both use the app and can avoid funding fees. But be mindful of those fees if you need to add money to your account or if you're using Wave to pay bills and businesses. Alternatives to Wave. There are other money transfer apps out there that might offer different fee structures. Do your research and see what works best for your specific needs. Remember, a little comparison shopping can save you money in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.